Good morning, students. In the previous topic, you studied about various methods of separation. Now, in this topic, we will study whether water can dissolve any amount of substance or not. So, for that, we have to know first what is a solvent, what is a solute, and what is a solution. Solvent is usually any liquid, usually it is the water. Solute is any substance that we are adding to water. For example, if we add salt to water or if you add sugar to water, okay, so the solute is the salt or the sugar that we are going to add to the water. And what is the solution? Solution is solute plus solvent, that is the solute and then the solvent together will be called as the solution. So solvent is usually a liquid, solute is a solid, and solution is a mixture of solute and solvent. I will show it with using an example or an activity. See, here I have got a bowl which is filled with water. Okay, now here the water is the solvent in which I am going to add the solute. Here solute is the salt. This is a salt. Okay, little bit of salt I have added in this. Okay, and now I am mixing it with the help of a spoon. As you all can see that I am mixing it with the help of a spoon. Once this gets mixed up, the salt, when it gets totally dissolved in water, what is it called as? Now this is called as the solution. Now it has become a solution. It is a solution of water as well as what was it? It was having solute in it. That is the salt. Okay, so now you can see that this is a solution. I hope it is clear, children. This first, when I took the water, that was the solvent. Then I added salt in it, which was the solute. And now it has become a solution because it has got solute as well as solvent in this. Now, the first question that I started with the topic was, can water dissolve any amount of substance? See, just now I added in front of you half spoon of salt and you can see that that salt is totally dissolved in it, isn't it? Now half spoon of salt totally dissolved in this much of water. Now if I put one more spoon of salt in it and we will try to dissolve it. Okay, so when you keep on dissolving it, what will happen? You will see that after some time again this salt will get totally dissolved in this solution. Okay, now it is a solution. Now you will see that after some time I keep on mixing and after some time it will get dissolved in it, isn't it? See, now it is almost dissolved in it. See, it's almost dissolved, isn't it? Now what will happen if I keep on adding salt in it? Okay, now this was the second spoon, then this was the third spoon. I am adding salt again and again. Now what will happen? You will see that when I am adding too much of solute in a solvent, what will happen? A time will come that this salt will not dissolve in water. Okay, children, you can try this at home. You will see that it will not dissolve in water. Okay, so this kind of solution, now this is a solution now. Okay, this is a solution of what? Solvent, that is water, and a solute. What is the solute in it? It is the salt. Okay, so now you can see that it is not dissolving fully. So this kind of solution is called as a saturated solution. See, you can see there is salt still beneath. It is not dissolving. So this kind of solution is called a saturated solution. Okay, so what is a saturated solution? A saturated solution is a solution in which no more of a solute can be dissolved. That means you cannot dissolve more solute in it. Okay, see, in this I am trying to dissolve it, still it is not dissolving in it. Okay, I am trying to dissolve it more and more, but still it is not dissolving. See, you can see salt here. Now, how can you again make a, now this is called as a saturated solution. That means now you cannot dissolve more salt in it. This solution has become saturated. Now, if I wish to add little more salt still in it, how can you add it? We can add it by heating the solution, okay? What will happen if we heat the solution? On heating a saturated solution, okay, we can again add little more solute in it. So if I heat this saturated solution, then what will happen? This salt, which is not dissolving now, as you can see, this salt is not dissolving, it's still lying at the bottom. This salt will get dissolved in it. Okay, so children, if you want, you can do this activity at home and you can try it out. You will see that a saturated solution on heating, it will dissolve even more solute in it. You can take either salt or you can take sugar also if you want to dissolve it. Okay, so I hope children it is clear to all of you. So what is solvent? Solvent is water or usually any liquid in which we have to dissolve any substance. Okay, solute is salt or sugar and solute is always solid. Okay, anything which we have to dissolve in a solvent, that is called as a solution. Sorry, that is called as a solute. And what is a solution? Solution is a mixture of solute and solvent, as you saw here. Okay, now this is a solution. This is a solution of solvent. There is solvent as well as there is solute in it. Okay, children. So the chapter is over. And please go through the chapter once again and go through all my videos properly. And if you have any doubt, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.